Welcome back to the Bailey Financial Group. This is Jerome, and I just got done with the FTMO challenge day 9. So here we go. So here's the chart right here. Here is where I am at right now. So I was okay the last couple trading days, and I just took another small dip, even out to a few days ago where I had where I was dipped pretty low. But I'm still optimistic, still learning about myself, still learning about how I trade, and I think it's getting better. Okay, so right now I'm at negative $6,000, so I can only lose about $4,000 more. Like I said, I'm very confident that it just won't get there. I've been studying a lot with M and W setups, and one of the M's and W's is like peak pattern when it comes to the pump and dump and the dump and pump. But for now, it seems like the M and W setups, not the pattern, but the setups, is going to be where it's at. And I'm looking forward to that starting this upcoming trading week for me. That's starting on Sunday night, starting at 11 p.m. So I'm excited for that. So anyways, let's take a look at my trade. I had 3 trades. But my main trade was the gold trade. It was my last one. My first 2 trades was the U.S. oil, and they were just feeler trades because I wanted to see how oil trades itself. So I just did maybe a couple of small lots, or actually just half a lot actually. So I wanted to see how it was and see how it played out. And it looks like oil will be one of my staples when it comes to trading, along with gold and the other Great British Pound pairs, but I'm going to focus mainly on gold and oil and see how that'll work out. But anyways, let's get into the last gold trade that I had on the day. So here you'll see that I saw a pump and dump, and here looking at this, you think, oh, okay, well, yeah, this typically looks like a pump and dump setup. We had 3 pumps to the high, price starts to come down. And this is where I had my entry. Okay, looks good. And this is where it ended up. So had my entry right there, and within 3 to 4 minutes, boom, I got stopped out. All right, so I got stopped out. This is how it is. Now let's take a look at my notes, what I typed up on this trade. So I saw a pump and dump. You guys saw that on the chart. I saw a pump and dump forming. Then learned very quickly that it's not wise to look for that kind of setup during a strong bullish trend. It was trending. Let's take a look at that one more time. Let's take a look at that picture. Okay, very strong trend going upwards, and there is more going on. Lots of price going up high, strong trend. Okay, and so anyways, it's not wise to look for that kind of setup during a strong bullish trend. Price continued to go up, and it didn't come back down until the U.S. session. And so let's take a look at the overall chart on TradingView just real quickly. So around this area is where I got in the trade. Okay, this was my entry, and here's where I got stopped out. So let's scroll over a little bit more, and as you can see right here, this was a very strong bullish trend, and this was an end of the week trade. So it just kept going and going and going. And this is where I stress the importance of having a really good stop loss percentage. It's good. I like to have my stop loss at 1%, between 0.8 to 1% of my entire account. And that's very, very important to have, because if I had to have my stop loss way up here and not had it, if I would have kept moving my stop loss, then I will be done. My account will be blown out, and I will have to sign up for a new FTMO challenge, and it's not all that cheap depending on what kind of account you want to have. So the thing that has been keeping me in the game for this long, as far as this challenge is concerned, is me being very disciplined about having my 1% stop loss, and I can't stress that enough. It's very, very important, and that's one of the reasons why I'm still in the game as far as getting this challenge complete. Okay, but anyways, quick video today. I just want to give you all a quick update. So I'm looking forward to some big moves this coming up trading week. Like I said, it starts Sunday, tomorrow for me by the time you see this video. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to making these gains and coming up out of this dip. So anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to share and subscribe on this channel. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. My name is Jerome with the Bailey Financial Group. Stay blessed, take the money, and run.